Look at this video, guys. This person uploaded a 35-second long videos about the cat jumping in front of the TV. This video uploaded around January 18th, 2021, around 7,000 views, and this person already in $16 actual money, guys. And again, you can see these people are uploading random cat videos, funny videos, baby videos. Here you can see people are earning various amount of money from this website. Again, this is not YouTube. I will walk you through entire tutorial, so watch it carefully. Here you can see this person upload about baby eating lime, and you can see this video uploaded 3 days ago and he already made $2.50. Again, the same person upload random videos about dogs, cat and babies. Look at this, and is earning different amount of money from it. Again, if you see here, another video is about a baby deer, about the animals that you can see around 1 minute and 20 seconds long, and this person uploaded that video on August 1st 2020 for nearly 3,500 views, and this person already earned $27.68. This website is not YouTube. You can upload simple video. I'm going to show you how you can get those videos, or if you have your own videos that you can upload it on this website. I'm going to walk you through how you can create accounts and all the things that you need to enable in this website in order to make money. So watch the video carefully until the end, guys. Before that, I make videos on money making, money saving tutorials. I try to upload one video every day, so subscribe, like and share. So this website is called Ramble. You can see from here, Ramble. So after you open the website, it's called ramble.com. You need to click here. If you are new, your account look like this one. Sign in, click that, and it will take you to this page where you have to click this one called create a Ramble account, and it will take you to this page. There's a 3 different type of account: free account, publisher and business. Don't worry about a publisher and business account, because with a free account you can subscribe, you can upload, and you can monetize your videos. And where you have to put your name here, username, you have to put your password here, and you have to confirm your password here. And you're going to put the email address, and you can select the country where you're from, and here you can refer, because if you go through my username, you can put it on here as a referrer, and you can put your address, date of birth, and you need to register that. After you register with that, you're going to confirm your email address, and your account will be created within a second. After that, you need to verify your account. I'm going to show you where you can verify that. Now you can see, if you go with the publisher account, if for the business, you have to select either one of these. You can say basic package, starter package, team package. Each of them you have to pay for it. So basic package around $10 per month, you have to pay for it. But don't worry, don't go with business or publisher account, go with free account. Now, after you create your account, this is your account overview. So if you click this one, this is account overview. This is where you're gonna show all your balance and total earning. These are the things you need to consider: YouTube earning, third-party earning, Ramble earning. I'm going to show you what that means in each of them. So here that you can see your balance. If you click analytics, where you can see the number of views and earning, CPM you're getting for each of your videos here. So if you click account verification, this is your account verification page where you have to put your phone number, you need to put the code, and you need to verify your account. After that, if you click transaction, where you're going to see all the account transaction, the payment that you received, and if you click my referral link and you sign up, you're going to see this is my referral link. If you click and sign up, I'm going to see how many people I referred and they sign up to the Ramble account. After that, this is a auto syndication. I believe this auto syndication means that you can see I enable my other YouTube account, my Facebook page, and Dailymotion. And if you have Vimeo account, you can do that on Pinterest, and you can do that. What happens is, when you upload the video to Ramble, and I think they automatically upload that video into those accounts, but I'm not clear about that, so I will make a video in the future. So this is auto syndication, but you don't have to worry about that now. So if you click all video, these are the videos that you're gonna see. I already published a couple of videos that I already made on my other YouTube account. If you click schedule video, where you're gonna see all the videos they scheduled for future dates. And if you click monetize video, where you're gonna see how many videos that you're able to monetize through Ramble. And you're gonna see my license. Don't worry about that, I will explain what that means in a minute. And here, see policy violations. If you click that, it will say how many policy violations you just got. At the moment, I got 0. So if you violate these policies, like same thing with the YouTube. So you upload these if you violate these policies, that you can get policy violation. After 3, I think your account will be terminated, something like that. So don't upload content that violate their policies, right? After that, what you're going to see, these are the important part here, my channels. Under this section, you're going to click my channel, where you can see I already create 1 channel, I have 1 subscribers here. And if you click this one called create channels, that is where you're going to create a channel. So when you create account is for Rumble, like YouTube, you create a YouTube account. But if you want to create a channels, you have to go inside and you can create multiple channels for your niche. If you want to upload funny videos, you can create a funny video. If you want to upload a health video, you can create a new channel. So for this video, I'm going to create second channel for funny. So I can upload like a funny cat video, something like that. Funny cat title, you can put that. So you can see can it go space, or there's no space, okay, or funny cat 2021, something like that. I'm going to do the same thing here. I keep it simple, so you can type full description of your channel. So you can copy the same thing for your description here. This is where you can upload the channel icon. This is where you can upload your banner for your account. After that, you can, if you have a social media account, you can copy and paste the URLs here, and you can click this one, create. Again, you can see you create a second channels on here. Now what you have to do, if you come down the bottom, and you need to upload the video. So you create the channel, you know that everything, and if you click my subscription, where you can see your subscription detail here. Now what you have to do, you need to upload the video. Where you gonna get those videos if you don't have a video? This is YouTube come to play. Go to YouTube and type funny cat video, funny dog, whatever, something like that. Okay, funny animal, something like that, anything that you want. Search it on here. After that, what you're gonna do, go to filter section here, and you're gonna click Creative Commons. That means you can download this video, edit and upload it to YouTube again, or you can upload it this site. And again, one more time, you're gonna click short videos, because as you see from this here, short video tend to do better. And this person upload 29-second videos and already earned $2.50. So go with a short video. So I already picked 1 video here. This is the video I want to download. Copy the URLs, go to this website called Y2Mate, copy and paste, and download that in HD quality. Before I show you how to upload the videos and how you can monetize the video, look at this chart here. This is the similar web chart for this website. You can see nearly in August 2020, this website getting around 1.6 million views per month. And now you can see there's a gradual increase, which means lots of people started to watch videos in this website. You can see 83 million views per month for this website, guys. If you come down the bottom, these are the top tier countries: United States, Canada, Italy, United Kingdom, and Australia. So you can make money from it, from this website, by uploading videos. Here, now look at this one here. After you create your account, this is your account, you need to click this one upload button here, and you need to upload the video that you download. Better if you have your own videos, you download that, because again, no one can claim that copyright for that. Okay, but here I'm going with copyright Creative Commons videos. Open that, and you can, after you upload the video, you need to put the title and description. For the title, you can go to the same section where you download your video from YouTube, copy that title and put it on here, and put it on here. So the title associated with that. So what you're gonna, cat and cute pet and compilations, you can see upload it on here. Now you can put your own thumbnail if you want. After video uploaded, the thumbnail will be automatically selected for you. So I'm gonna select one. Tag optionable, so I can go to funny cat, funny, and here you need to select which channel you want to upload this video. I'm going with the funny cat 2021, and if you want, you can schedule the video. If you not, click upload, and it will take to this page. This is a very important part. If you watch the video until then, you know this is the important way where you can select the option for making money. There are 4 sections. If you click this one, personal use, that means is not searchable and is not monetized. Only you can see this video. If you select this one, this option, Rumble only, you will earn money on Rumble alone. That means when advertisement played on a video inside the Rumble, then you earn 60% of that commission for that ad alone. But if you select this one, video management, which means you are assigned to exclusive right to management of your video through Rumble Inc. That means this video not be played on YouTube, but it will played on Rumble at the same other websites. Okay, they allow to use other website. So website like ALO, Yahoo, Amazon, so are those companies this website able to play it, and you can make money from it. So you can see, other than YouTube, this video will play it into other websites and Rumble, and you can earn 60% of commission. And if you click this one called video management exclusive, here you can earn 90% of commission. You can say you will entitled to do 90% of net advertising revenue on YouTube. Again, they will upload the same video onto YouTube through their sections. You don't have to worry about that. You don't have to, because you already upload the Creative Commons videos. You don't have to worry about that, and you can earn 90% commission that this video generate through YouTube. And also you can earn 60% commission on top of that from Rumble, and they play the same video on other website. So you understand that. So you need to select this one called video management. Here you can select who recorded or approved this. I don't think so. You don't have to fill this information, but if you want, you can fill the information. You can put the channels. If you have own channel, you can put your video where you get the video from it. And here, this is already I talk about all additional syndication option. If you click that, and it will be played on all the videos you selected, because I already select my Facebook, Dailymotion, and the YouTube. So you can, if you enable that, this video will be uploaded into those channels. But here I don't want to do that, so I can click off. And this not relevant with monetizations. Don't confuse with that, because this part here, so you can manage your video from one location. So if you upload the video to Rumble, you can simultaneously upload the same video to YouTube, Facebook, and Dailymotion. So you can manage it from one place. But here, there is monetization at different parts. So they will publish the website on YouTube and other website, so you can earn money. So don't confuse both of them. After that, you're gonna click this term and condition, and you're gonna click submit. The video will be submitted. What happened is, now this is a video submitted here. So if you go to here, and if you click my account here, back again, account overview, if you go down bottom, and if you click this one called my channels, and these are your channels are here, and if you go to all video here, and you can see this video is uploading at the moment, and here is say ready to share and monetization pending, which means they had to review a video before they approve the monetization. So this is one of my videos is ready to share. It's only showing embedded, but if you go to others video, you can see here this embedded and license. This is the part where you're going to make money. So if you click license part here, and you can see website and other companies come to this website and buy a license for this video. For example, single domain license, 450 years license. So when they bought the license, you can earn commission from it. This is how that works, guys. So you don't have to worry about it. You just find the videos. You can see simple 20-second, 30-second videos uploaded here, and the rest of them Rumble will do that for you. They will upload the video on the YouTube, they upload the video on the other websites, and advertisement played on Rumble inside Rumble, and you can earn commission for that. So also go with the first option, which is video management exclusive. So you can earn 90% commission from YouTube and 60% from Rumble. So I hope you understand this videos. Basically, you can upload Creative Commons video from YouTube into this website called Rumble, and you can earn money from it. Again, it won't work with one video. So you can see this person upload a couple of video here. Some of them doesn't make any money at all, and some of them making lots of money here. So upload the videos, and let's see if it happen in the future, you are making money or not. And also you can use this website to make affiliate commission. I will make that video tomorrow, so check it out for tomorrow videos, how you can make money using this website through affiliate marketing. So I hope you understand this video. If you really like video, subscribe, like, and share. Under that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.